If you want your arms to look bigger from the side, here are some tips for your next arm day. First, triceps should be your main focus. Utilize different attachments for your tricep pushdowns for variety. Next, focus on hammer curls. These specifically target your outer bicep muscles, which is important for size and thickness.
Here are 4 exercises that took my chest from this to this. So if you've got some pancakes you're trying to turn to double Ds, let's go. Starting off with a pec fly. This is to get as much blood into the pec as possible before we do some heavy pressing. Focus on squeezing your biceps into your chest rather than focusing on bringing your hands together. Next, we're on to the incline dumbbell press. I only do this for 2 sets. First set being my top set where I'll go heavy for 6 to 9. My next set will be a back off set. At this point, you will have a nice pump, so check yourself out in the mirror. Carrying on, we are onto the Smith machine high press. Put this bench slightly higher than what you put your incline dumbbell bench. This time I'm gonna go 3 sets, 1 top set and work your way down. Finishing off on the last movement with a cable press. This is actually the movement I feel the most. Contraction is insane. I'll do this for 3 sets, focusing on medium to high rep ranges. But if you still don't get it,
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की
Because it's the hero Gotham deserves. A dark night.
Alright, here is my current push workout. So it starts off with some barbell bench press. I always notice that my chest looks so much fuller when I barbell bench press consistently. Then I moved on to some seated military press and I added drop sets to these, followed by partial reps, and the pump is insane. You have to try this out. After this, I did some incline plate loaded presses and my focus here was squeezing and fighting the eccentric portion of the rep back down. Then I did some standard lateral raises, and just a quick tip, don't stop at 10 reps if you're not feeling anything in your shoulders. Like, you probably have a lot more left in the tank than you think. After this, I did some chest flies. I get on my knees for this because I find I can load a lot more weight onto my chest this way. Just make sure you're getting a good range of motion and you're keeping your form on every rep. Finally, we moved on to some triceps. I start with some rope push downs to prime my elbows for the skull crushers, which is what I finished with.